ka na ba sa paulit-ulit na accessories na sinusot mo everyday? Huwag ka nang malungkot dahil may solusyon ako dyan.
Get with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the guns now, hit the guns now. I got all I need.
Isang makinang at puno ng mga classic design na 18 karat na champ necklace ang para sa'yo. At hindi lang yon dahil ang champ necklace na ito ay paparisan mo rin ng isang champ bracelet na babagay sa iyong everyday gala. No need to worry dahil starting only from 2 grams magkakaroon ka na ng mga ito. Ito ay best recommend for classic look and occasional look. Very lightweight and exclusive for everyday use. Only here at Nakshatra Gold and Diamond, Hamdan branch opposite of WTC. See you!
Nakshatra Gold and Diamonds.